Greetings and welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you guys doing today? So last video we talked about the War of the Lance and the dragons part in it, and now we are going to move on to the Chaos War and the Dark Knights. So let's begin. The Blue Dragons have been recruited by Aryakan, the brilliant general and son of Aryakas, for use in his new army of Dark Knights. This army trained and mustered on Storm Keep, located out in the open sea northwest of Solamnia. Eventually, an enormous invasion force that included Blue Dragons, Dark Knights, and so-called brutes from across the sea launched a massive attack upon Ansalon. Shortly after the continent had been assaulted, the Hydra on the remote island saw it fit to break the Grey Gem, which released the titanic aspect of chaos. Now the Hydra thought that by breaking the Grey Gem, they will be able to harness the power of chaos and protect themselves from the Dark Knights, but oh boy, they were wrong. The gods had allowed Takhisis' Dark Knights to assume military control over Ansalon in hope that the organization would stand a chance of opposing chaos. However, it took an alliance of the Dark Knights, Knights of Solamnia, as well as many other free and courageous folk of Krynn to finally defeat the fierce giant. The Chaos War, as it was known later on, introduced two new breeds of dragons to Krynn. One of them, the Frost Dragon, was in fact a chaos mutated white dragon, one of the several exiled worms who had fled Takhisis in the Age of Dreams and had rejoiced in the arrival of chaos. The other was the Fire Dragon, a creature so terrifying that even Krynn's native dragons had fled from it. Few of those creatures survived the defeat of chaos, but those who remain are a constant source of irritation to other serpents and mortals alike. The most significant result of the Chaos War was that, at its end, Takhisis performed her most audacious act yet, the theft of Krynn itself. Stolen away from its place in the cosmos, the gods were unable to find it, and the Krynnish folk came to believe that the gods had once again abandoned them. Stealing the world drained so much of Takhisis' divine strength that she was forced to spend time in dormant, watching over her new prize with confidence that in time she would be the one and only god. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is where we are going to leave the story for tonight. And we will pick it up next time with the otherworldly dragon. So I hope we'll see you there. Have a great day.